Our business is built on the satisfaction of others. So when we receive a great 5-star review, we're thrilled to share it with everyone. We'd like the opportunity to make you happy too. When someone takes the time to specifically mention the great service they received, it allows us to know that we're doing a great job and we're meeting our commitment to unparalleled service. Let us help you with our excellent service backed by our years of experience. We'd love the chance to give you a 5-star experience too. We appreciate you stopping by and watching our video. We're happy to answer any questions you might have. We're happy to help you anytime.